Hello students, in this video we will discuss about continuity and differentiability. This is the chapter 5 of class 12th maths NCERT. Before the discussion about this topic, already we have studied the limit and derivative in the class 11th. Limit and derivative was the topic related to calculus. Calculus is very important topic. In that chapter, that means in derivative, already we have discussed or we learn how to find the derivative of different type of function like polynomial and trigonometric functions. Now in this chapter we will introduce two important topic. First is continuity. And second is differentiability. And its relations. That means relation between continuity and differentiability. In the differentiation, we will introduce the sum in other type of function, like exponential function, logarithmic function, and we will learn to find derivative of inverse trigonometric function also. Inverse trigonometric function also. That means in this chapter we will discuss first continuity, second is differentiability, and we will learn also what is the relation between continuity and differentiability both. And in the differentiation, that means differentiation is the first part of calculus. In this function, like polynomial function and trigonometric function, we have learned in the 11th class how to find the differentiation of that type of function. And in this chapter, that means in the 12th class, we will find the differentiation of another type of function like right here, exponential function, logarithmic function, and we will learn to find derivative of inverse trigonometric functions also. Now we will take first topic, continuity, and this topic will be discussed before the first exercise. Now in the next video we will discuss about continuity.